Thank you.
Thank you.
It's the side conversation. Oh man, it's a whole lot of yellow. All that there. That's awesome. Wasn't that wild? The front is the bomb.
It was like control. It was like controlled jankiness.
Control jank. Yeah, control jank. Control.
Just like when you thought it was about to get crazy, it slowed down a little bit.
It hit it just at the right time.
Yeah. That was good.